In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the File Explorer is not responding or not opening. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type File Explorer Options. Okay. Then you have to click on File Explorer Options under the best match. Now, once the File Explorer options window will be opened, you have to click on the General tab, and here you'll find Open File Explorer 2. Click on this drop down and choose this PC, and click on this option Clear File Explorer History. Click on Apply, then click on OK. For the next method, go to the Windows search bar, type Task Manager. Click on Task Manager under the best match, maximize it. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply locate Details. Scroll down and you have to look for explorer.exe. Okay, here it is. Once you find that, make a right click and then select End Task. Okay, once you find that, make a right click and then select End Task, and then go back to Processes. And here you'll find this option Run New Task. Click on that and type explorer.exe, and then you have to click on OK, and then that will bring back the File Explorer into your Windows. Additional method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, again type File Explorer Options, click on that, and click on this option Restore Defaults, click on Apply, and click on OK. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.